SAP BODI online training. Proexcellency Learn with Experts Trainer. Introduction to SAP BODI. Data integration is a crucial aspect of modern business operations, allowing organizations to consolidate, transform, and load data from various sources into a unified format. SAP BusinessObjects Data Integrator, BODI, is a powerful ETL, extract, transform, load tool developed by SAP that facilitates seamless data integration across diverse systems. In today's data-driven landscape, efficient data integration is fundamental to achieving accurate insights, informed decision-making, and streamlined business processes. Overview of data integration. Data integration involves the process of combining data from different sources, such as databases, applications, spreadsheets, and more, to provide a comprehensive view of an organization's data. This holistic approach helps to eliminate data silos, enhances data accuracy, and enables cross-functional analysis. SAP BODI serves as a bridge between disparate data sources, enabling users to extract, transform, and load data into target systems for reporting, analytics, and other business purposes. Importance of SAP BODI in business processes. SAP BODI plays a pivotal role in optimizing business processes by enabling data-driven decision-making. It ensures that accurate and consistent data is available to various stakeholders, allowing them to base their strategies on reliable information. BODI helps organizations enhance their operational efficiency, improve customer experiences, and maintain a competitive edge in a data-centric environment. Key features and benefits of SAP BODI. Robust data extraction. SAP BODI supports extracting data from a wide range of sources, including databases, flat files, and applications. Data transformation. BODI provides a rich set of transformation functions to cleanse, enrich, and manipulate data as it's moved through the integration process. Flexibility. It accommodates both batch and real-time data integration, catering to various business needs. Scalability. BODI can handle large volumes of data, making it suitable for enterprises of all sizes. Error handling. It offers comprehensive error handling and logging mechanisms to ensure data accuracy. Connectivity. BODI can integrate with SAP and non-SAP systems, allowing for seamless interoperability. Performance optimization. It supports parallel processing, load balancing, and caching to improve integration performance. Data lineage. BODI helps in tracking the origin and transformation of data, ensuring data quality and compliance. Getting started with SAP BODI. Installation and setup. This section guides users through the installation process, system requirements, and initial configuration of SAP BODI. User interface overview. Users get acquainted with the BODI interface, including navigation, tools, and options available in the environment. Navigating the BODI environment. A walkthrough of the different components and modules within the BODI environment, helping users understand the layout and functionalities. Data extraction and loading. Connecting to data sources. How to establish connections to various data sources, configure access credentials, and establish communication protocols. Defining data extraction jobs. Creating and configuring data extraction jobs to retrieve data from source systems efficiently. Transforming and mapping data. Exploring the transformation capabilities of BODI, including data mapping, filtering, and data type conversions. Data transformation techniques. Overview of data transformation. Understanding the role of data transformation in the integration process and its significance in data quality improvement. Using built-in functions. Exploring the built-in functions provided by BODI for common data transformations, calculations, and manipulations. Custom transformations and scripting. In-depth guidance on creating custom transformations using scripts to cater to unique integration scenarios. Data quality and cleansing. Importance of data quality. Discussing the impact of poor data quality on business outcomes and how BODI can contribute to data cleansing. Data profiling and cleansing in BODI. Utilizing BODI's data profiling features to assess data quality and applying cleansing techniques to enhance it. Handling duplicates and inconsistent data. Strategies for identifying and managing duplicate records and inconsistent data values during integration. Advanced transformations and processing. Aggregating and summarizing data. Exploring techniques to aggregate and summarize data for reporting and analytics purposes. Pivot and unpivot operations. How to reshape data using pivot and unpivot operations to meet specific reporting requirements. Handling complex data structures. Dealing with intricate data structures such as nested data, arrays, and JSON formats during integration. Scheduling and automation. Creating workflows for automation. Building workflow sequences that automate complex integration processes, incorporating multiple tasks and dependencies. Scheduling data integration jobs. Configuring job schedules to ensure timely data updates and integration without manual intervention. Error handling and notification. Implementing error handling mechanisms and setting up notifications for failed jobs or data anomalies. Integration with SAP and non-SAP systems. Integrating BODI with SAP systems. Exploring integration options with SAP applications, leveraging BAPIs, RFCs, and other SAP-specific connectors. Connecting to non-SAP data sources. Establishing connections with non-SAP systems using standard connectors or APIs. Real-time data integration options. Understanding techniques for real-time data synchronization between systems using BODI. Performance optimization. Best practices for performance. A comprehensive guide to optimizing integration performance, covering aspects like data partitioning, indexing, and caching. Parallel processing and load balancing. Utilizing parallel processing and load balancing to distribute workloads efficiently across resources. Optimizing memory usage and throughput. Strategies to manage memory usage and enhance data throughput during integration. Debugging and troubleshooting. Identifying and resolving common issues, a troubleshooting guide for common integration issues, along with solutions and workarounds. Debugging data transformation logic, techniques to debug and validate complex data transformation logic to ensure accurate results. Monitoring job execution. How to monitor and track the progress of integration jobs, ensuring they complete successfully. Security and access control. User authentication and authorization. Setting up user authentication methods and defining roles and permissions for secure access. Data encryption and secure connections. Implementing encryption measures to protect sensitive data during transmission and storage. Role-based access control. Configuring access controls based on user roles and responsibilities, ensuring data confidentiality. Metadata management. Managing metadata and data lineage. Exploring metadata management tools and tracking data lineage for transparency and compliance. Impact analysis and dependency tracking. Understanding the impact of changes on existing integrations and tracing dependencies. Versioning and change management. Strategies for version control and managing changes to integration processes and configurations. Data migration strategies. Planning data migration projects. A step-by-step guide to planning and executing data migration projects using SAP BODI. Data extraction from legacy systems. Techniques for extracting data from legacy systems, ensuring data accuracy and completeness. Ensuring data integrity post-migration. Validation processes to ensure data integrity after migration and strategies to rectify any discrepancies. Real-world use cases. Case studies of BODI implementation. Real-life examples of how organizations have successfully implemented BODI for their data integration needs. Industry-specific data integration scenarios. Exploring industry-specific challenges and integration solutions across sectors like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. Best practices from successful deployments. Learning from the experiences of organizations that have effectively utilized BODI for improved data integration and analytics. Monitoring and performance tuning. Monitoring job execution and progress. Techniques to monitor the execution progress of integration jobs, ensuring timely completion. Performance metrics and KPIs. Identifying key performance indicators and metrics to assess integration efficiency and effectiveness. Continuous improvement strategies. Implementing strategies for continuous monitoring and improvement of data integration processes. Future trends and integrations. SAP BODI in the context of SAP Data Intelligence. Exploring the role of SAP BODI in the broader context of SAP's data intelligence offerings. Integration with cloud-based solutions. Understanding how BODI can be integrated with cloud-based data sources and solutions. BODI's role in modern data architectures. Discuss how BODI fits into modern data architectures, including data lakes and data warehouse. Certification and career development. Preparing for SAP BODI certification. Tips and resources for individuals seeking to become certified SAP BODI professionals. Career opportunities for BODI professionals. Exploring job roles and career paths available to SAP BODI experts in the industry. Building a portfolio of BODI skills. Strategies for enhancing skills and building a portfolio showcasing expertise in SAP BODI. Conclusion and resources. Recap of key learnings. Summarizing the main takeaways from the training guide and reinforcing essential concepts. Additional learning resources. Providing a list of recommended books, courses, and online resources for further learning. Community and support channels. Sharing information about online communities, forums, and support channels where learners can seek assistance and engage with other Bodhi enthusiasts. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP Bodhi online training? There are many reasons why you should choose Proexcellency for SAP Bodhi online training. Here are a few. Expert instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are all SAP certified experts with years of experience in the field. They are passionate about teaching and have a knack for explaining complex concepts in a clear and easy to understand way. Up-to-date curriculum. Proexcellency's curriculum is constantly updated to reflect the latest SAP Bodhi releases. This ensures that you are learning the latest skills and techniques that are in demand by employers. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers a variety of learning options to fit your busy schedule. You can choose to take the course online at your own pace or attend live instructor-led classes. Hands-on exercises. Proexcellency's training courses are designed to give you hands-on experience with SAP Bodhi. This is essential for developing the skills you need to be successful in a real-world job. Career support. Proexcellency offers career support services to help you find a job after you complete your training. This includes resume writing, interview skills training, and job search assistance. Overall, Proexcellency is a great choice for SAP Bodhi online training. With their expert instructors, up-to-date curriculum, flexible learning options, and hands-on exercises, you can be sure to get the skills you need to succeed in your career. Connect with us. +918722079509 vertical bar +919008906809 www.proexcellency.com. Thank you for watching.